The clock struck 4. He ran out the door.